Hi everyone! I just want to show you how I apply my mascara and what I do. Before I ever used an eyelash curler, what I would do is I would get my finger, press down, and curl up. Kind of helps some of the lashes stay curled up instead of staying down. However, it's much easier to use an eyelash curler, and you can easily get these at the drugstore. So what you do is you get like this. Press down once. You move up and you press down once again. You keep moving up. Pressing down. Trying to get my phone to focus. Now you see how they're curled up versus just being straight down. I'm going to do this side quickly. Push it again. You go near the roots. Press down hard once. Open, go up, press down again. Up. There you see the difference. You do this eye. Careful to not get your skin stuck. Next I go in with my mascara. Clean off the mascara. I go 1, turning the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here, the middle 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. I curl the 1 because I feel like it spreads more of the product. So I only have to use it once. I have to pump it back in. 2, 3, 3. Make sure you get the lashes back here. Careful. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1. If you want, you can go a bit more. 5. Now you can see the difference between how my lashes were before and how they look now. As you can see, they're curling up. So this is how I apply my mascara. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.